These are the clouds for rain. Very soon it will be raining. This is how we collect rainwater. So these pipes are bringing water inside this. It's raining already, and rain is so guys, this is how we collect rainwater. So that we are collecting rainwater, we use this water to do our laundry, to mop the house, to wash the dishes, or to water the plants, or to give them to goats, Yes, we don't use them to cook or to drink. And this is the behind the house again, and water is also getting filled to those liters. And it was not raining heavily, but I had to manage to create that content just to show you how we collect rainwater in an African village. So this is it.